Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your e-learning environment with FutureLearn step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your FutureLearn account. Navigate to your dashboard once you've entered your credentials. Locate the course or learning environment you wish to secure. Click on the course title to enter the course overview page. Review the course details to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Access the course settings by selecting the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the security options section. Start by updating your password for added protection. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enable two-factor authentication if this option is available. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device for authentication. Verify your mobile number through the confirmation message sent to your device. Once verified, two-factor authentication will enhance your account security. Return to the security options and review the privacy settings. Adjust these settings to control who can see your profile and course activity. Consider limiting access to your personal information and sharing preferences. Regularly check for any updates or security notifications from FutureLearn. Engage with the community through secure messaging, ensuring you report any suspicious activity. If available, enroll in additional security courses offered by FutureLearn to strengthen your knowledge. Finally, log out of your account after each session to maintain security. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance the security of your e-learning environment on FutureLearn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.